It's pretty important to remove the insult. That's the first step. If you're living in some type of moldy situation, maybe you even have a mold colonized in your body and it's creating trouble that way. Maybe you were exposed to mold before and you just need to figure out that you need to get rid of that situation in your body. Maybe you're living in some type of environment that has mold or some other chemical situation going on that you need to get away from. That could be very important. If there are heavy metals, that needs to be handled. And when we're looking at these overgrowth situations, a person can test for things like mold mycotoxins. They can test for an H. pylori situation or candida or some type of other yeast, mold, fungal overgrowth problem in their digestive tract to understand, is that a problem? That needs to be handled. If all these toxins are being produced in the body, how are you supposed to run from that? It's in your body. What we really want to know is bile flowing correctly. If the body can't detox, helping it detox the way that it wants to detox can really help that water jug get unfilled a little bit. That can really start to help a person feel a little bit better and increase their ability to tolerate some of these toxins. Reducing any type of overgrowth is going to be very important. Any type of digestive symptoms are important to kind of improve it, especially things like reflux or bloating or indigestion or constipation. Those are all signs that stomach acid is not working correctly, and that's kind of the barrier that keeps all the bad guys. They're supposed to die in an acid bath when they come in on the food that we're eating. So it's important to have all those things working correctly, and it also goes over this bile issue pretty well, and that'll help you figure out if that's a problem and things you can do to improve that. And if there are digestive malfunctions, and especially if there's an overgrowth, it's common to see a leaky gut issue that needs to be corrected so that all of the food is not being viewed as an invader and the body's going to war against that. And a person might even need to do some type of elimination diet at first. When you create all these food sensitivity issues, there are some foods that very commonly create symptoms. And if you can remove those, a lot of people will start to feel better right away.